Hey everyone, welcome to another episode of the Parallax Scrolling Effect. In the last episode, we made a very basic page with only background image like this. Today, we will make something like this where we will add some information block apart from the background image. Okay, that means a proper web page. A vertical parallax scrolling effect, and this one is an example of horizontal scrolling parallax effect, something like this. Today we are going to create something like this. Okay, so let's start now without wasting any time. Okay, so let's open our VS Code editor. This is the program which we have made in our last episode. So I will not edit this program, and this program is available at the GitHub. Okay, let's create a new program so that all the programs are available. Okay, I'm keeping the file name suppose 1.html and one new file 1.css. Okay, so let's create a very basic template by using the emit. Okay, let's link our css file 1.css and let's run this program. Okay, there's nothing visible, and let's do one more thing. Okay, this is in the left hand side of our browser, in the right hand side is our code editor. What we can do something like this. Yes, we can start now our development. So everything is visible. Yes, so this time, okay, and this is another div block. This is a parent block container. Let's apply a class container, and let's apply a class here child. This parent right now is a one block, that's a child block. And if we take our reference to something like this we are trying to build, so for the one page, for one child containing a one image block and one data block, so let's put another two division here, and we'll put here image, we'll call it image block, and this is our data block. The second division is the data block. Okay, so let's go to the CSS and start writing styling. First of all, apply the height, default height to our page. Height is equal to 100%. Let's override the margin is equal to 0, and okay, we are done. Okay, yes, here we are here. Now again, okay, something, let me write something here so that we can visualize that something is getting written. Yes, it's getting written here. Okay, let's go to the container class. Let's provide height 100 vh. Vh stands for the vertical height, and width is equal to 100 vw, vertical width, the width of the page. And since we are working with the parallax and scrolling, let's apply the class overflow hidden. Okay, fine. And first, initially we are working for the y, that means the y-axis, vertical scroll. Okay, and right now let's keep the child class empty. We'll use this later on when we will work with the horizontal scrolling. And this is our image block. Okay, and let's image block. Here in the image block, let's keep the height 100 vh again, width 100 vw, vertical width, Let's apply the class here, background image, sorry, property, and we are taking a reference of our pixel dot photos. Then we will provide the dimension of the images so that this can provide some good images, yeah, which we can see here. So this time we will not be using the entire page. Let's keep the height 100, sorry, 50 feet, half of the page, and we will apply some position of the image center, size of the image is cover, so that if your image size is not proper, it will fit properly into your screen, which we can see. And the most important part here is the okay, that will apply later on. Now let's work with the data block. Data block. Okay, so before data block, let's write something in our data section by using lorem. Let's write okay some large character. Okay, 300 characters we have generated. Okay, so if you can see in our right hand side, there is no parallax scrolling effect. The image and data block is moving together. Okay, so now let's see the magic of the parallax by applying a property background attachment fixed. Now we can see that there is a small animation and we can see the parallax effect. Okay, before moving further, let's apply some styling to our data section. Let's suppose font size is equal to large, and let's apply some padding. Suppose 20 pixel on all the side, and text align is equal to what? Center. Yeah, now it's looking better. Now let's come here and let's apply a title also. Okay, so now we can see a very beautiful page, or one page with there's an image section and there's a data section. In the data section there's a title block and the body block. What we can do, we can copy this now, and okay, enough. And now if we go down, we can see a page with the parallax scrolling. Yeah, there is small problem in this. All the image section is containing the same image. Okay, we can change this. So let's suppose we are creating a class image1 and image2. Again, image1. Let's repeat this. Image2. So what we can do here, we can go and create a one class image1, and we can make a copy of this. Control C, Control V, image2, and I will just make a small change. Yeah. Now if you can see that we are getting a two different images. If we refresh the page, yes, so it's working. So we are able to achieve the vertical scrolling effect. Now it's time for horizontal scrolling. Okay, for the horizontal scrolling, what I will do, I will not modify this program. I will just create another program so that both the version of the application program will be available to you. And I have shared the code. You can find the link below in the description for the reference. I have shared at GitHub. Control V, Control V. Now rename this. .css, 2.html. Okay, so yeah, the target is now target is okay, so we have to link it proper. 2.css. Now our target is achieve horizontal scrolling like this. Okay, so let's go and let's run this program. Okay, our program name is not 1, now this time 2.html. Okay, fine, it's working fine properly. Yeah, so to work with the horizontal scrolling, now we have to apply the concept of flex. Flex means here the child should be all the childs of the container should be adjacent to each other. And how we can achieve this? By applying the property display flex. And this time we will not be using overflow y, this time we will be using overflow x, so that we can achieve the horizontal scrolling. Oh great, we have already achieved something like this. But yeah, what do we want? We want to achieve something like this. Okay, now let's go. If we want to make a page like this, what we have to do here in this page, that means our image section and the data section should be what, adjacent to each other. Okay, so what I mean that now this child become a parent, and these two blocks, the child block and image blocks, are should be adjacent to each other. So I will apply again here display flex, and now you can see that. Let's go to the 2.html. Yeah. Now let's fix this display flex. And yes, what we have to do for the horizontal part, will keep the height of the image again 100%, that means 100 for, and in the same way let's give a height 100 vh, and with this time we can adjust what, 50, and again here we can put what, width is equal to 50 vw. Well, now you can see that this is the parallax scrolling effect on the horizontal screen. That's it from my side. I think we have achieved both the version of both the target, that means the horizontal scrolling and the vertical scrolling. We have created two beautiful page. Okay, I can go here now. Okay, we have created two beautiful pages together using that, and we have applied the concept of the parallax scrolling. So this one is the vertical and this one is horizontal. Thank you for watching. If you like the video, please like and subscribe. Thank you. See you in the next episode.